put this group together was not only to celebrate our people, but to talk about the struggles back in 2015 when they were trying to start building a 30-meter telescope up on Maunakea. You know, we stood with the Kiʻai. Fast forward to 2018, 2019, when they tried again, we all went up to the Mauna and stood there. As we had law enforcement there as well. And we refused to let them build this 30-meter telescope. And it's not because we're against science, we're against the desecration of our beautiful sacred aina, our beautiful natural resources. You know, if they build this 30-meter telescope on top of Maunakea, it's going to seep all this contamination into the water aquifer below Maunakea, and we won't have any fresh water. You know, Waiʻola, the water is our life. Without water, you don't have anything. And so while we were there, we partook in aha in the ceremony there. We also wrote songs, and this is one of the songs that Kawika wrote in honor of our Kiʻai, in honor of our kupuna that stood there on the front lines and said that they wanted to be the first ones to be arrested if anyone was going to be arrested. So a song for our Kiʻai.
So we have some group participation if you want to. It's a part of the song that says, Kupuna warriors put their lives on the line, and we're gonna shout, Ayo! So everyone shout with us. Kupuna warriors put their lives on the line. Ayo!
That's you.
Let's try it again. Kupuna warriors with their lives on the line. Ayo! Ayo!
Honolulu.
Eu.